Hey, just want to give a little sneak peek of what I'm currently working on. I'm basically working on a Metroidvania game called Immortal Chronicles. I'm currently working on the Gaia's Heart region. I just started this like 2 days ago. I most of that time was setting up tiles, but I wanted to just show off a little bit of what I'm working on, and you'll see like I got like a little bit of a roly-poly thing. That's just a mock-up sprite. I was just doing like a quick mock-up for like the first enemy that I was gonna like set up here. I just wanted to show it off and basically give like a little rundown of also a couple things I'm going to be doing. I'm working on a couple tutorials for basically character controller, enemy controller, enemy state machines, and also camera controller with a Metroidvania style like system and focus. So example, like a room style like camera transition. So I'll walk through here, boom, the camera transitions to a new room. I'm also going to be working on water shader. Below me is like a work in progress murky water shader. I'm not done with it yet. I literally got halfway done and then I had to like pause work. But I'm going to be just showing off a few different things for some tutorials. But see, these are some of the things that I'm going to be like showing how to do. And honestly, the camera transition for like a Metroidvania room style system is actually super easy. There's actually no code involved, believe it or not. You can actually just use Cinemachine to set this up, and it's literally takes only 2 seconds. But I'm also going to be showing off how to do like the character controller, how to do like a gliding system, a flying system, customizable like ability pickup and unlock system, and a few other different things. But I just wanted to take like a couple seconds to just show off some things I'm going to be doing in future tutorials. Also, if anybody's seen my Collider Distance 2D tutorial, that's actually what I'm using to actually do my character controller. I am not using like a rigid body physics to do like collision detection or anything. I'm actually using the Collider Distance 2D with combination of ray casting to actually do like very tight physics controls. That's why I can get like very close to the ground without worrying about clipping into it. But just wanted to show off a little preview of what I've been working on.